Welcome to part 1 of our 8-part series, How to Invest in Cryptocurrency, a Beginner's Guide. In this series, we'll provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to cryptocurrency investing. In part 1, we'll dive into the basics of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, giving you a solid foundation to start your crypto investment journey. So whether you're entirely new to the crypto space or looking to brush up on your knowledge, this series is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to follow along with this series. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, click the bell icon to get notifications for future videos in this series and other informative content. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comments below, and feel free to share any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Whether you're a newcomer stepping into the world of cryptocurrencies or an intermediate investor looking to deepen your understanding, you've landed at the right place. In this video, we'll journey together through everything you need to know about understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. We'll start from the fundamentals, unpacking the complex world of blockchain technology. Along the way, we'll provide in-depth examples and clear explanations to help you confidently navigate this dynamic and exciting market. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Let's dive in. Sure, let's delve deeper into each of these sections. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is an innovative technology that forms the foundation of most cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized digital ledger where transactions made in a cryptocurrency are recorded chronologically and publicly. Imagine a book, the blockchain, filled with transaction records, the blocks. Each block contains data about the transaction, such as the sender, receiver, and the number of coins transferred. Each time a transaction is made, a new block is added to the book. However, unlike a traditional book, this one is distributed. Multiple copies exist across a network of computers, known as nodes. Each time a new block is added, every copy of the book gets updated. This makes the system highly transparent and extremely difficult to manipulate, as altering any information would require the consensus of the entire network. Decentralization of cryptocurrencies. One of the fundamental features of cryptocurrencies is decentralization, meaning they're not controlled by a single central authority like a government or a central bank. Instead, control is distributed among a network of computers, or nodes. When a transaction is made, instead of going through a central authority, it is broadcasted to all nodes in the network. The nodes then validate the transaction based on a set of predetermined rules. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain. This process makes cryptocurrencies potentially resistant to censorship or interference from governments or large corporations, and ensures that no single entity has complete control over the cryptocurrency. Security in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies use advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. It uses a process known as proof of work, which requires miners, nodes in the network, to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process, known as mining, uses significant computational resources, making it computationally impractical for any entity to alter the transaction data once added to the blockchain. The cryptographic security measures make cryptocurrencies extremely difficult, if not impossible, to hack or counterfeit. Transparency and anonymity in cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology offers an interesting blend of transparency and anonymity. On one hand, every transaction made with a cryptocurrency is recorded on the blockchain, creating a permanent and public record. This means that anyone can trace the history of a coin back to its creation, ensuring transparency and accountability. On the other hand, these transactions are pseudonymous. They are connected to an alphanumeric address, which is essentially a random string of numbers and letters, rather than the real-world identity of the person involved. This means that while you can trace the transaction history of a particular address, you cannot directly link it to a specific individual, thus providing a level of privacy to users. Advantages of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies offer several groundbreaking advantages. First, they enable quick, international transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. This can drastically reduce costs and time delays. Second, cryptocurrencies can provide financial services to those without access to traditional banking systems, a significant issue in many developing countries. Lastly, the transparency and immutability of blockchain technology can help reduce fraud and corruption, particularly in sectors like supply chain management and voting systems. Future of cryptocurrencies. As we look towards the future, it's clear that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology have the potential to significantly impact various sectors, from finance to supply chain management, to healthcare and beyond. While the technology is still in its early stages, continuous development and increasing adoption suggest a promising future. However, like any investment, it's important to do your own research and understand the potential risks involved. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are undoubtedly transforming the way we view and handle money. Their potential to enhance transparency, reduce costs, and provide access to financial services is revolutionary. However, they also bring new risks and challenges that need to be considered. As we continue to explore this new frontier, it's crucial to stay informed and understand the implications fully. Thank you for tuning in to part 1 of our 8-part series, How to Invest in Cryptocurrency, a Beginner's Guide. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the exciting world of crypto investing. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about part 2, where we'll delve into how to choose the right cryptocurrency exchange, a critical step in your crypto investment journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in learning about cryptocurrency investing. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue producing informative content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are specific topics you want us to cover in future videos. We appreciate your feedback and are here to help you on your investing journey. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency investing is exciting but also comes with risks. Always do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and happy investing.